guess it's time we work on this Meltdown car. So what do we have left to do? We have to do those plates, do a test run, weld the driver door. So a lot of welding today. So I guess let's get started on welding these plates and going from there.
I've been grinding, catching every break, working hard just to make my way. No time for sleep, no time to waste. I'm ready to shine, I'm ready to race. Lights are flashing, the crowd's on their feet. The stage is set, time to compete. I'll give it my all, I'm in it to win. Gonna leave my mark, let the show begin. I'm not here for the money, I'm here for the show. I'm ready, let's go. Gonna take this car, take it now, make you remember my name. I've been grinding, catching every break, working hard just to make my way. No time for sleep, no time to waste. I'm ready to shine, I'm ready to race. Lights are flashing, the crowd's on their feet. The stage is set, time to compete. I'll give it my all, I'm in it to win. Gonna leave my mark, let the show begin. I'm not here for the money, I'm here for the show. I'm ready, let's go. Gonna take this car, take it now, make you remember my name. It's time to go insane, driving through the wreckage. I'm in the fast lane, adrenaline pumping, fueling the fire. I'm a wrecking to see the ultimate desire. Smashing through the metal, the sparks will fly. Every good collision and I can taste the sky. No turning back, I'm unstoppable. In this demolition derby, I'm unbeatable. Engines roaring, suction all around. I'm the champion, I wear the
Well, that was a lot of welding. We got all of our repair plates on, we got our bumper plate on, we got our motor chains on. I've been putting this welding off for a long time because I just don't want to sit here for a long period of time and weld because it's so boring. Steven welds all day. I've been welding so long that Eddie got bored and left, and then Steven appeared. And the tire's already missing.
Evolution of Eddie.
Yeah, Eddie evolved.
Better in every way.
The final form. But so the welding's done. I also welded the driver door shut. Now normally I do not weld the driver door shut, but we are putting door wraps on this that you guys have already seen. So I just didn't want the seatbelt stopping the door wraps from sticking. So the last thing we're probably going to do today is pre-bend, notch, and pre-bend the back of this. So old bodies are a little different than new bodies. Old bodies actually have a bumper shock. Oh, there's a step bit that comes inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to notch it right in front of the where the bumper shock, it's not really a bumper, it's just a bracket. Where that mounts, we're just going to notch right behind it. We're going to throw our chain through. We're going to throw...
You're not. You're only going to do the one right at the front.
Like 12 inches in.
Like right behind the wheel wells.
No, this one here's got bumper shocks.
Doesn't matter. Right behind the wheel well.
We're going to do it about 7
You do it
inches.
whatever way you want. It's going to come straight in. It's going to bend down at the front, or it's going to bend up at the front and then bend down near the wheel wells. You do whatever you want.
I think we should interrogate Steven. Steven, where should we notch this then? Come and show me. I'm not an old body guy. I'm a 97 to 99. I'm not
This
a
is
90.
a Camry guy thing. Let's notch it up there.
Well,
Let it become a wall.
it's not gonna come in pretty.
What are you talking about? It's going to come in nice and flush and square, and then it's going to hit your tank protector and stop. It's going to be nice and flat and a wall.
We're just gonna do it up here then.
And then what you do is you'll dimple these right here so they bend there, not up here. So this bends, and then this comes up and it just wraps around this, which is solid in there, and it hits it and it's tough. And then you can put 9 wire from the trunk lid down to the frame to hold this down. This comes up. It's all one piece.
I have to go to the bumper, not the frame.
Well, then go to the bumper.
Okay.
Do whatever.
All right, so let's get in here with a mini grinder, do some notching, and then chain it down to the hoist. Okay, so we have the chain set up, and we're just gonna give this thing a little bit of a bend. One side came up, this side popped out.
Yeah, that's good now. You only need a little.
Well, that one's a little higher, the arm. So we got this thing pre-bent. You guys can see how I do this. I chain the car down to the ground, run my chains through right where I've notched it, down to the ground on this side, and then I put the hoist arms at the back. Now, what we're gonna do is, while this car's got pressure, we're gonna drill some holes up here, and we're gonna 9 wire from the bumper up to there, and that way it helps keep this thing kind of pressured up and it keeps the 9 wire tight. So let's get going at this, and we'll be right back. So we got all the 9 wire done to this, up through here, all the way up. And then we got the 9-wire back across. Those two don't loosen off. But we also did it while it was under pressure. So we've kind of pulled it. Let's see how well this thing sticks to... Oh. Is the safety on or something? There we go. Safety's always off, boys and girls. So, coming down. That's some damn tight. Let's get all these chains out and then we'll take another look at it. So there you go. We got pretty much the whole back end of this car done. She's got a lot of pressure on it because we kind of did that 9-wire up while it was, what do you call it? Under pressure. I might try to get a twist down here, but I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to do that or not. But there you go, boys and girls. The mini Meltdown car is done. I would like to take it out for a test and tune here in the next week or so. But other than that, I think this thing is done. So, we'll be seeing you guys there in New York at Morris. Mini Meltdown. I guess it's just Meltdown, but Mini Meltdown 2024. Here we come.